Hey you guys, what's up? It's Maddie. I am going to show you guys how to connect your Directv devices and all to your Echo Dot. They changed the app, they updated it, so I'm going to do an updated version. And now that I know that you can hear me when I record my voice along with this video, I'm going to be able to tell you step by step instead of just showing you, because you're probably going to be a little confused. So when you open the app, you're going to press the little three bars at the top like I just did, and you're going to go to settings. Now on settings, you have multiple settings for multiple things. You connect your email, you can do list settings, sports, traffic, free time, your flash briefings, your communications, music, TV, and video. So we're going to go to TV and video, and they have multiple providers. So you can have Hulu as your TV provider, you can have Dish, you can have NBC, you can have Directv, you can have Xbox, you can have Fire TV. So we're going to do Directv. So I'm going to disable just so I can show you guys how to do it. So after it goes to this screen where you click Enable Skill, and you're going to log in to your Directv account. So when that loads, so I'm going to log in real quick. Mine's already saved in my phone for me, the password and stuff. Ignore the email, please. It's personal email. Do not use my account, please. It's not even mine. Anyway, so it says it has been successfully linked. So when you click done, and it's gonna look for devices. So it's gonna find all your devices that are your Directv Genies or whatever they're called, and you're gonna want to know the MAC address of your device, unless you have already connected and done this before. I don't know. But yeah, you're definitely going to want to know the MAC address of the device that you're connecting it to. You can find that pretty simply with like the info on your Directv. So you definitely want to know what device to connect it to. And I already know I'm connected to this one, so I'm going to click continue. And then you pick which device to connect it to. That means if you have multiple, you can connect a different Directv Genie to a different device. So if you have one per room, each room can have its own Echo device connected to a Genie, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So yeah, that's about it. If you would like, I could also tell you how to connect Fire TV. Let's do that real quick. Let's just click Fire TV. And you're going to click connect, and it's going to show up if it's all on the same Amazon account, and it's pretty simple actually. So that's where you find that up. Also, don't forget you can connect music, you can connect Spotify, you can connect all kind of stuff. I think you can do you can do Apple Music now. So don't forget that. That's pretty cool that you can do Apple Music, because Amazon and Apple are like competitors. So if you can connect Amazon, that's pretty cool. I mean Apple. Check out the things that you can do on your flash briefing. They have some pretty cool flash briefings. And connect your email.